Dan?
Thanks, Ray. President Bush today said he was not worried about the stock market's behavior. He said federal agencies are, and I quote, monitoring the situation, and that's where it stands. Bob Fall checked around to see if the small investors shared that confidence in Wall Street.
Like thousands of small investors, New York City fireman Joe O'Brien got clobbered in Friday's market. Today, he came back to buy more.
I think that in the foreseeable future that there's some money to be made in the stock market.
Businesswoman Cher Detweiler was not panicking either.
These things are much more stable than they were 2 years ago.
You're not
much
frightened?
more stable, not at all, not at all. I'm cautious, but I'm not frightened.
That feeling was not limited just to young investors.
Things will be all right. We don't sell America short.
Today, from Florida retirement communities to America's heartland, many small investors were looking to buy.
I'm a long-term investor, and that's why I really don't worry about it that much, because I know the market is always going to come back.
If the little investor does have money, now is a wonderful time to buy stock. I mean, when do you want to get on the ship? When it's in the harbor, or do you want to wait till it goes out of the harbor and then swim after it?
People can't always invest between 9 and 5. That's why we're here, 24 hours a day. So call us anytime.
Industry commercials like this have apparently worked. Small investors have been trickling back. Black Monday 2 years ago drove many small investors out of the market. Many who stayed in have been tested by fire and are not likely to panic. In a poll taken Friday and Saturday of customers of one mutual fund, 3 of 4 said they're in the market for the long haul. 2/3 of those polled said they feel that now is the time to buy, not sell. The overwhelming majority also said they expect the market to go up. Encouraged by some reforms enacted to prevent another 1987 crash, small investors still have some gripes.
I think the small investor could complain about the program trading that's been going on because the volatility is unwarranted.
All this suggests that while a lot of the smart money worried that the sky might fall, a lot of the so-called little guys did keep their feet on the ground.
Now I'm going to tell you, the market is very unpredictable. It's sort of like marriage. So when my marriage is going well, I buy stock. And when it's going poorly, I sell stock. And over 30 years and 6 marriages, I have been very successful in the market.
Not everyone needs fancy computers. Bob Fall, CBS News, New York.
In Europe, stock prices opened sharply lower but rebounded somewhat after the New York Exchange turned around. London stocks closed down about 3%. The Japanese market was steadier, dropping less than 2%. It is already Tuesday in Japan, and trading will begin again soon. Our Tokyo correspondent Bill Whitaker is standing by there. Bill?